Hey YouTube, we're going to learn the Growlers, and the song is called Dream World. It's in the key of A. I'll show you a couple ways to play it. I think they're playing it this way, but don't be discouraged if you don't play bar chords. I'll show you how to play it in the open position. Going A, you can play that whole chord, but we're just then muting it immediately. And then we're playing F sharp minor, but you can play it as a power chord. Because power chords, you can use them as a major or a minor. Yeah, and you can play the whole song in power chords. The verse is A, F sharp, E. It does that like 3 times, and then on the 4th time it resolves to the D. Alright, that's the verse. The chorus is the same chords, just a different order. In a dream world. Goes A, E, F sharp to D. This with the power chord, just make sure you don't hit strings 2 and 1. Play the whole thing with power chords. Alright, so that's the verse and the chorus in this 5th and position, 5th fret and above. Now let's play it in the open position. That's kind of like the easy way to play it. So we're playing A, just playing, kind of putting our finger on the side and playing strings 4, 3, 2 at the 2nd fret. Then we're just playing the F sharp bass note with our index finger. And then from that bass note, we go down to the A string at the 2nd fret, and we play a power chord. Then we play open position D to end it. And then we can play that chorus. I guess for the chorus, you're gonna have to play an F sharp power chord. In a dream world. And you're just playing index finger on the 2nd fret on the low E. And then you can place your ring finger on the 4th fret on the A string. That's enough. So it's A, E, F sharp. All right. There's quite a bit of lead guitar, just different places in the song. Just stuff like that, and I was just playing the F sharp minor pentatonic. On the E string, it's 2, 5, A string is 2-4, 2-4 on the D, 2-4 on the G, 2-5 on the B, 2-5 on the high E. And to start it, I bent the G, and then come to the high E on the second. So this is like in a dream world. Melody at the second on the B, and going to the second on the E. 5 on the B, 4 on the G. Then we just, from that G string, we climb 2-4, jump to the B on 2, climb back down, 4-2, and that's the whole melody. Play riffs like that instead of the chords if you want. All right, thanks for watching, and have a great day. And don't forget to subscribe, it helps me. Bye.